Hello dear viewers, I Divya is here with my new video on anti-inflammatory compounds. Anti-inflammatory compounds that we have to include in our daily diet to reduce inflammation in our body. Inflammation is a response which is produced when invaders moves inside our body and immunity response is produced. Inflammation can be good or it can be bad. If inflammation persists for a long time, then it results in many severe diseases. These diseases are mental illness, anxiety, depression, cancer, and many more. So, to stay healthy, we should include anti-inflammatory substances in our diet. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about some of the food which we should take to stay anti-inflammatory in our body. So the first one is berries. Blueberry, blackberry, strawberries, these all berries are wonderful anti-inflammatory compounds. They are helpful to reduce inflammation in our body and makes our mental and physical health better. Second one is mushroom. There are so many mushrooms in market, but some of them are edible. Mushroom consists of iron, selenium, and copper. We should take mushrooms in our diet to stay healthy. Third is grapes. It is a very famous and popular fruit and it contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. The next is green tea. Perhaps you have heard about a very popular beverage which is very wonderful one and we should include in our diet because green tea includes anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. These compounds reduces heart diseases, they improve mental health. Moreover, it also improves our obesity. It reduces body weight. Next is tomato. Tomato consists of lycopene. It is a main source of vitamin C. It contains lycopene, which is responsible for antioxidant property. Antioxidant property is the property which is used for scavenging of free radicals present in our body. If free radicals will be present in our body, then it will delay the aging process. And other anti-inflammatory compounds we can use are dark chocolates. They are very interesting because everyone will be relish to have dark chocolates. It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. Other substances that we can include in our diet are broccoli, fish. They are wonderful substances. And avocado, we can use nuts. These are wonderful substances that we can include. The fat that we can use in our daily diet is olive oil. Olive oil is a superb anti-inflammatory compound and it includes lots of anti-inflammatory property and antioxidant property. We can take peppers as well in our diet like red pepper and black pepper as well as your bell peppers. They contain pepperine substance and it has anti-inflammatory property. So dear viewers, so this video would be a very beneficial for you because you can take all these compounds in your daily diet and they are easily available in the market. Yes, one thing I forgot to discuss is curcumin, turmeric. Turmeric is a very famous culinary substance that we use in curries and it can be taken in our diet and they can be applied on the skin as well. It has curcuminoids which are wonderful anti-inflammatory and oxidant properties and it reduces risk of cancer, diabetes and hypercholesteremic. So dear viewers, I hope you all are going to take all these substances in your diet and you would be healthy and there would be less inflammation in your body. So that was all about anti-inflammatory compounds. Thank you and have a great